The defendant is your daughter.
Yes.
How long has she been renting these rooms from you?
I want to say maybe 2.5 years.
Is it rooms in your house?
No, I have a rental property.
Is it an apartment?
It's a home.
Does she have the whole house or just rooms in the house?
She had access to the whole house.
Is there any other tenant there?
Her grandmother from her father's side is there.
So her grandmother lives there and she was living there. Who are you living there with?
My grandmother on my father's side.
Anybody else?
And my child, yes.
One child?
Yes.
How old?
She's 2 years old.
I gather that you are estranged from your husband?
That is correct.
This kerfuffle that you had with your daughter occurred on the 31st of December of last year when she came to your house and she found her estranged husband there.
Correct.
What was he doing there?
He was working, actually. He works for a contractor. I had called and asked him to come and move some items and clean up some leaves around my home.
Okay, so he was working for you?
Yes.
And you paid him?
Yes. I paid the owner, yes.
So you're not on bad terms with your son-in-law?
No, I'm not.
Are you on good or bad terms with your husband?
Bad.
And that's what started this argument on December 31st when he was there?
Yes, that is correct, Judge.
Okay, so now we have a lawsuit. And during that unfortunate incident, according to you, your daughter assaulted her two young siblings.
That is correct.
Who sort of got in the middle of this fight.
Right.
Were either of the two children treated by a doctor?
No, they were not.
So I'm taking care of the assault charges that we filed, and then I'm going to get down to what I consider the nitty-gritty of the case.
Okay.
All right? So we get rid of assault. Did you see a doctor?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to get rid of your damages for assault. Now we're going to talk about property. You say that your daughter left the house in bad condition, the property that she was living in, and you were paying your mother rent?
That is correct.
How much?
$500 for a room.
And that she took property that didn't belong to her.
That is correct.
What property did she take, according to you, that didn't belong to her when she moved out? Because after this fight, did she move?
Yes, she did. Eventually she did.
When?
I moved January 26th.
So within a month?
Yeah.
Where did you move to?
I moved to another residence in Hamilton, New Jersey.
And you moved because?
I moved because of the scuffle we had on the 31st of December. In that scuffle, she told me to get out of her house. So I take that as me having to move. She also, on January 3rd, sent me an eviction notice and told me...
Do you have the eviction
Yes, I do.
notice? I'd like to see it. What are you showing me?
That is an eviction notice she sent to my email address on January 3rd.
Oh. So you left.
Exactly.
What do you think that she took that belongs to you that you should not have?
I furnished the whole house with the exception of the living room set she just bought in December. She took bedroom sets.
She took one bedroom set?
Two.
Did you take the two bedroom sets?
I took my bedroom sets that I furnished, which was my bedroom set. I was renting one room, and my grandmother had her own bedroom set that we brought from Virginia. So my daughter never had any furniture.
Oh, I'm talking about your bedroom set.
I took my bedroom set that I purchased, yes.